Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 202. We expected natural gas to stay in selling, maintaining 203.5 as top. What happened right after the opening? The price went near the stop and it went near 204.5, and again it fell down till 200 and closed near 201.3. We should have increased the stop to 1 point, but still the price maintained some selling. Today expected to open again near 202. It's a critical zone again, so what we need to do is we need to use some buffer and increase the stop loss till 204.5. You can place stop loss at 204.5, and you can go for selling in natural gas, expecting that the price can come down. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.